Hate having to unlock your phone for every little thing? With the LG V30 UX, the always convenient always-on display has been upgraded for the OLED full vision display. See the info you need at a glance with a variety of looks to choose from. Experience seamless transitions between lock screen and home screen. You can even access notifications and tools from the always-on display for convenient control without having to turn on your phone. So you loved the convenient second screen on the V20? We've got you covered. The floating bar is your customizable instant access toolbox. From the floating bar, you can access capture and draw tools like an animated GIF maker, favorite app shortcuts, music player, incoming calls, and quick contacts, all without interrupting what you're doing. Need a little drama in your video? Add smooth cinematic zooms to your videos with point zoom. You can zoom into any spot you touch on the screen and adjust zoom speed on the fly. Cine Effect makes your videos look like Hollywood movies. Cine Effect's color presets are more than simple filters you find in other phones and apps. Cine Effect's video processing starts from the raw files taken with the V30's HDR sensor. Then, deep image calibrations designed by professional color graders are added when you choose your preset. You want to shoot photos like a pro but don't know much about manual cameras? The Graphy feature lets you choose from a wide array of manual camera settings of photos shared to the Graphy app by other users, including presets from photos taken by professional photographers. Edit and share videos directly from your phone with Quick Video Editor. Shorten video clips or combine and edit multiple clips easily with simple and intuitive controls. Does your phone's basic audio controls leave a lot to be desired? The professionally designed sound presets and digital filters in the V30 UX lets you customize your sound experience to satisfy your inner audiophile. Optimize sound quality for your headsets and wired speakers with Hi-Fi Quad DAC. Google Assistant is built into the V30 UX. It's your own personal assistant to help you get things done. You can hold a natural conversation with Google Assistant, and it gives you contextually aware answers. You can even tell Google Assistant to turn on the video camera on your V30, like so. Okay, Google, take a romantic video. Tired of toggling through a series of different menus in an app to get to what you want? Use app shortcuts instead. Simply touch and hold on an app to bring up its unique pop-up menu of shortcuts. When your hands are busy, you can easily unlock your phone with your voice. Watch! Hi, V30! Easy, huh? The voice recognition feature lets you create any phrase of your choosing for unlocking. Open Sesame. 1212, mic check. The V30 UX gives you a set of gaming tools you won't be able to live without. There's a battery-saving break mode for running a game in the background, screen capture, screen scaling, and video performance options. all available through game tools. Chock full of features that are actually delightfully useful. This is LG V30 UX.